Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to guide you on how to log in and use the Market Watch tab in the GEPL Pro Markets app. First, kindly put your user ID, password, click on Get OTP and enter the OTP received on your phone. After that, click on Login and you can see the Market Watch is visible on your screen. To add any script, kindly click on Search and you can add any script you want. For example, I am adding ONGC here of BSC. So I've got NSE, BSE both rates of ONGC. If I want to delete any script, I'll go to the last option given on the tab, which are the three dots. Click on delete script. Delete any script you want. Go back and you can see that the script is deleted. If you want the scripts view in a grid format, then you can simply go on the three dots and select switch view. Now to come back to the list view again, the same procedure. Click on the three dots and come back to the list view. Now if you want to change the index which is visible above, which is Nifty Bank and Nifty Realty, click on the three dots, go to change index and you can select, for example, Nifty 50 and you want to select Sensex. So you can see Nifty 50 and Sensex are the two indexes which are visible above. Now if you want to rearrange the script, you can simply hold any script and scroll up and down. So you can see the scripts are getting rearranged. If you want the scripts to get arranged alphabetically, click on the three lines above and you can click on script name. You can see it is arranged alphabetically. If you want to change it price wise, go to the same icon, click on LTP and it is going to get arranged price wise. Simultaneously, if you want to see the percentage change, click on the same icon and go to percentage change option and it will be reflected accordingly. So that's all in the Market Watch app. You can customize according to your preferences.